All right, this is the elevator here at Fiesta in Oaxaca, Mexico. And pause to read that. We have an old Otis. I think it's between a 1980s Otis or something, but we had to press it well because it just doesn't open. So yeah, we get this renovated cab view. We're gonna go up to PA. There's no door close button. Here at PA. Oh, it bumps a lot. Down the PV. Oh, this thing runs fast, to be honest. Oh, here at PV, big bump. Oh, let's go for another ride, shall we? Oh, here at PA again, also known as the top floor. Whoa, really like how this thing bumps. So yeah, this is the third floor of the hotel. So right down the PB, and we're gonna end it there. Whoa, so a really quick elevator. It's just your nice older Otis elevator. Whoa, hello. Here are the buttons and the indicator. And here at PV. Right, there's your MPU right there. So, all right. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.